guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a very simple coconut rice. It's really, I've done it really simple for you guys to follow. Minimal ingredients, maximum taste. Drop me a like and a comment if you have any questions. I've been helping people now on like a daily basis. People asking me questions every day. I'm trying to get back to everyone as much as I can. I eventually do, it just takes a bit longer. But yeah, a very simple BIR coconut rice, exactly how we do it in the restaurant. So let's get cooking. So ingredients wise, very simple, 3 things. Pilau rice, sugar, about 2.5 teaspoons of sugar, and some coconut flour. You've got probably about 3 tablespoons of coconut flour there. So very easy to get coconut flour. You can get it from anywhere really, and that's it. I mean, we used to put a little bit of butter ghee to give it that buttery taste. You can, but we've gone a lot more vegan friendly. Butter ghee is not vegan, so we've looked at little ways we can trim it. You know, veganism has gone up by huge amounts, so we're just kind of trying to keep to the trend really. So yeah, very quick. Get a wok. You don't need onions, peppers, none of that. Very low gas, otherwise it's going to burn things. So the rice is nice and hot. Just on very low gas. Coconut flour, chuck it in. Chuck in your sugar. You can put a little bit of butter here, but as I mentioned, we don't put butter ghee in anymore. It's just a case of slowly letting it cook, letting the coconut flour dissolve into it. We sell a fair bit of coconut rice. You know, some people like a peshwari nut, which is coconutty, chicken korma, which is very coconutty, and then a coconut rice, which is extremely coconutty. So it's one if you've got sweet tooth. I think it's a good one. As you can see, all my coconuts dissolved really there, and the sugar's mixed in. It doesn't take long, and that's pretty much it. You know, it's a very simple, quick coconut rice. I can make other complex ones, but we just make it very quick and simple. We don't put any coriander or anything. It wouldn't really go really with the coconut and sugary rice. So there we have it. A very simple, quick coconut rice.